the 15 naira per week per sheet in the compound. Divided and subtracted by the 3 months and 3 days that I've stayed in this compound. Then when you get actual amount of sheets where I don't shit, then you let me know the amount of shitting I've shit.
Do you know that you're a joker?
Imagine. Imagine.
How are you?
Mr. Mr. Landlord.
Thank you for correcting yourself. How are you?
Wonderful.
I am here to collect the money.
Landlord, which money again?
Money for shit that you deposited in the underground storage.
Bam.
You get it?
You are there. You are there. See, talk away don't fool. Yes, so you have to pay your bills now. Each flat is 2,600 per week. Now 50 naira.
Mr. Landlord?
Yes.
This is daylight robbery.
If you like, you call it midnight robbery. I'm not robbing you. I'm not holding gun. What I'm holding is my register for people who say the shit. You understand me now? This one is for sock away. As you don't fool, so I don't want a situation whereby when the sock away full, we can reach up. You can't come outside from kitchen.
That's an unhygienistic manner.
Good.
You get it?
If you don't get it, think about it. So pay your money.
All this money for what?
For shitting, no, my brother. You shit, you pay.
Okay, please take your money and go, I beg.
I should take my money and go.
Take.
Oh, okay, you are planning to pay me before. And you are questioning me.
Unprecedented occurrence.
Occurrence.
Yes.
Occurrence in your head. No problem. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oga landlord, now waiting I get with that.
Now wait till you get with this.
If you know need that, may I collect am?
How will I give you money that you have given to me? How?
Mr. Landlord.
Let me count your own. Remember, if you are shitting anytime, know that if you go back to that toilet again, if you go there, may you know say if you shit, you still owe me. You're owing me 600. 2, 3. Your own is not complete at all.
You said?
Your own is long. This one is 1.5 now.
For what?
For the shit.
Mr. Landlord?
Out of them 2.6.
This is for the shit.
This is for the shit.
Yes.
It's alright. You're owing me. You're owing me. All this your grandma that you're speaking, you're owing me. You know that one.
Can you just imagine?
600 and you know your mother you're owing.
Oga landlord, go, I beg. You be thinking about shit.
Can you imagine?
No problem. Mr. Yuko, you heard all the things we were saying there. So I'm here to collect the payment. Your money is 2,600.
I don't understand. Now I want to collect money from my aunt too.
Yes, now. Are you not a tenant in this compound?
I'm a tenant.
So I'm to collect money from you, and the total is 2,600. That's your own money.
I don't understand.
What is it that you don't understand? Talk away, don't fool. So your own payment is 2,600.
Wait, how I take shit 2,600 now? Why I don't dey this compound? House, I know they dey. You see, I shit. How that shit they reach 2,600? Now. I just want to know. Since you say everybody in this compound are 2.6, I want to reach 2.6 now when I don't stay this compound. They don't stay for this compound, they go 1 year. 1 year plus.
Yes.
Me just 3 months. 3 months and 3 days.
Yeah. I don't want to calculate anything yet.
Okay.
Because I don't calculate them already for every apartment. All the guests where they don't pay. The boys, they don't pay. That other guy, he has not paid. So after you now, I'm going to his apartment. Do you understand me now? So you're on a 2.6.
No, I'll pay.
Okay.
But I don't I did the calculation before.
Yes, I did the calculation already for every flat.
Every flat. 2.6 for a year.
Yes.
No wala. So this is what you will do for me now.
Okay.
You did the calculation before, right?
Yes, correct.
So you will redo the calculation now. So this is how you're gonna do. You're gonna multiply, subtract, and divide the 15 naira per week per sheet in the compound. Divided and subtracted by the 3 months and 3 days that I've stayed in this compound. Then when you get actual amount of shit where I don't shit, then you let me know the amount of shitting I've shit.
Do you know that you're a joker? Do you know that you are a comedian? You are cracking joke for me now. I'm laughing. I'm rolling on the floor. You should you tell me say what? I should calculate again. Okay, pay your money.
No be juju be that.
Are you paying now or you don't want to pay now?
Okay, landlord. When your calculate finish, let me know.
You people should go. See, you should. How many weeks have I stayed that you are calculating shit of 15 naira for me?
You're paying for the future shit. That's a big shit.
My brother, come and pay for your shit.
Okay. That's your punk that you're carrying in this compound. Don't worry.
This is bullshit.
Let me go and see those fighters too.
Oga landlord, this one pass you.
Pass yourself.
So everybody say, oh,